concern arises, do we really get stress-free life? Do we get? Certainly not. Because we are constantly in that state of having the 24 by 7 stress, 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 stress. We are in the office, we are in the stress. We are at the family level, we are in the stress.
Overstress.
Stress?
Overstress.
Overstress. Yes, it's completely overstress. So, for this, I am not going to discuss the stress management at all. Rather, I will discuss a special part of it, work-life balance. Now, what is work-life balance actually is? If I would say, you would say, oh, work-life balance is actually making a balance between your boss and your spouse. Is it? Oh, no. Work-life balance is actually making a balance between your cricket bat and your office laptop. Is it? No. Work-life balance is actually making a balance between your kids and your office staff. Is it? No. If I would ask you what work-life balance is, you would say divide the time half and half into your professional life and your personal life. Is it? Or you may say don't involve the professional life into your personal life. Is it?
In a way.
In a way, okay. No, work-life balance is actually a concept in which you prioritize your things, your work and your lifestyle. Your work like your career and ambition, your lifestyle like your health, pleasures, leisures, family, spiritual aspects, and all what you do for yourself. So, in making a balance between your career and ambition and your lifestyle, out of this we are going to discuss here. Anyone can ask me any question if you think. Before this, I would like to tell you an incident. One day, completely irritated from his boss, completely tired from his work, reaches late to his home and finds his 5-year-old son waiting at the doorstep for him. Then the little boy replied, Dad, may I ask you a question? Oh sure, my son, you can. Dad, how much you make in an hour? Oh, it's none of your business. You should open your work. Please just let me know how much you make in an hour. If it is so urgent, if you must to know, I tell you, I make $20 in an hour. Oh, the little boy replied with a head down. Then suddenly he raises his head and said, Dad, can I borrow $10 from you? What? If you were asking just to borrow the $10 to buy something silly toys or nonsense, I'm not going to give you that $10. You should march straight to your room, go to your bed and think how you can be so selfish. The little boy has nothing to do. He went to the room, switch off the lights, lie on the bed and just lie. Then after some time, the father calmed down. He went to his room and knocked the door, said, Hey little boy, are you asleep? The little boy replied, No dad, I'm awake, you can come. The father entered into the room. He said, boy, I was little bit aggravated on you. I know I was little bit irritated from my boss and I just showed my agony on you. So here is your $10, you can take. The little boy take that $10 and what he did next? Left his pillow, pulled out some more money, what he had already, and start counting. The man was furious, completely furious. He said, if you already had the money, why you were asking, why you were demanding the more money from my side? Dad, I was having the money but not having the enough money. Now it's completely $20. Can I borrow your 1 hour tomorrow and have a dinner with you? So, this is not a story of one boy and father. Rather, it's a story, it's happening almost approximately in every family. So, are we at the stage of creating a work-life balance actually? Maybe not. So we are going to discuss everything about it. What is this? I have already said what the work-life balance actually is. Now, I will ask some questions from you. The twist part is you have to think the answer in your mind, and whatever comes first, you have to reply on it. Right? You don't have to reply to me. Rather, you have to reply it yourself, and whatever comes first in your mind, the reply, the answer, you have to proceed on that. Right? Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Before that, yeah. Whatever I will ask the questions, that will be completely revolved around these four aspects. Because you know, and every person, whether he is a businessman, he is an IT, he is a family member, he is a family worker or whatever, he is revolving around these four quadrants: the work, family, himself and friends. So you have to think the answers in these four terms. My first question is your ultimate goal in life. Think first. What comes first to you? Right? Why? What comes first? Why? What comes first? And why? You know, I am much more concerned about this why. Because when you find the answer of this why, you will certainly find that it's related to me. It's related to yourself. It's related to oneself. It's not a family, it's not a career ambition, nothing. It's just me, and me. Right? Next question. Need to promote yourself. Why? 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 It's all you, nothing else. Next question. Need of better income. Why need? Why? Why? And why? Did you find the last one wise answer? Next question. Are you satisfied in your life? If yes or if it no, why? Why? And why? Did you find the answer? Enjoyment in life means why? Why? And why? So, done? Done? What's your experience? Were you able to find the correct answer or the satisfactory answer of the last why of all these questions? Were you able to find the satisfactory answer of the last why of all these questions? I repeat.
Yes.
Yes. Those who said yes or oh okay, we can raise the answer if I got the satisfactory answer. Just one. Oh, it's slow, it's very low percentage. What are we doing, man? What are we doing? Are we crazy? What are we doing with ourselves? What are we doing with our life? Are we creating a proper balance between us and the surroundings, ourselves? No. right? This is a mathematician view. Any person is surrounded by these parameters. So is it visible to all of you? No. Is it visible? No? No? Okay. I must speak it out. You are surrounded by your future plans, projects, your job,